Hi, I'm Costel. In this video I'm going to show you how I get the absorption spectrum of a particular element. So this element will be the holmium, which is deposited on a filter used in calibrations later on. So let's determine the absorption spectrum with this spectrophotometer Genesys 6 developed by Thermo Scientific. I have in here the sample, and I have in here the blank. The blank, again, we are going to use distilled water as a reference for blank. Going back into the test, we'll go into test, select scanning. Test name, let's keep that one. The measurement mode will be absorbance. Start wavelengths 190 nanometers. Stop wavelength 1100 nanometers. We'll go to scan speed. Let's keep fast, and interval 5 nanometers. Let's go and run the test. Okay. So this is the curve from the previous absorbance spectrum test. Let's collect the baseline blank in the blank position on the carousel in here. Let's wipe the cuvette a little bit. So collect baseline. It will take some time to collect the baseline, meaning that it will set up the I0. Remember, I0 is the incident light intensity, and this one will be collected pretty soon. So we collected the baseline. Now let's measure the sample. So be careful. We're going to place the sample in position 1 as mentioned in there, cell 1. The direction of the beam, the light beam, is this way. So now let's measure the sample. So it starts from 1100, plotting the graph. You look at that one. So okay, a little peak over there, another peak over there, so multiple ones. So holmium presents a multitude of peaks. So let's see how the graph goes. Okay, so we have several peaks in this absorption spectrum. So going and edit the graph, edit the scale. Okay, auto scaling here, cursor. Let's check. Let's check the lambdas and check with the values that were provided by the manufacturer of this filter. So very important in quality control of the machine, the instrument. So going in here we have 9788. Okay, 97, which is 640 nanometers. I don't have that lambda in my table. Let's look for this one. So 535 nanometers, you see. Okay, point 22, 21, 22, 21. Unfortunately, my 5 nanometer is pretty large. But anyway, if I had only 1, 2, or 3 nanometers, step, to have been better for me to get the peak. But the peak is at 535. It's a little bit more than 535, and here goes with 537. And I think that the instrument is well calibrated, very good. So going for the next peak in here that shows up at 360.8. Okay, not that one. 360, I think 360. Look at this one. So 360.8. Again, with a final step, I would have been able to provide you a more accurate, value, but still you see that the peak kind of, matches the whatever the manufacturer of the filter provided us. So this instrument measures and provides the wavelength very accurately. So this is the absorption spectrum for holmium. Okay.